crazy. Damn. I gotta go because it's raining. It would only rain when I bring the STI up. Yesterday it didn't even rain. Oh my god. Yep, I gotta fix that. Woo. Hopefully it don't rain today. That STI, let me go on the side because the lighting is better. Woo. Damn. World Rally Blue. Sparkles, Brembos. I just need to lower it more. Oh, Tome? Question mark? Yeah, everything's stock. I got plastic because I also do mechanic. And, you know, grease in the pants, could dirty the seats. I'm about to go to my other job right now. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing.